We have a new month. Our new month is January. You say January? January. All right, and today is the 4th day of January. So we're going to go ahead and put that up there. And let's sing our Days of the Week song. Let's see if we hear it, because I'm doing it on a different one. Let's see if we hear it on this one. Can you hear it? No? Oh, maybe. Nope, it's still not going to go. Oh, it gets thinking. There we go. Here we go. Days of the week. Clap, clap.
Days of the week.
Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Here we go.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
And today is Monday, January 4th, 2021. It's a whole new year. Remember, we will have school on Wednesday, but we will not have school on Friday. We're going to go ahead and mute some of our friends. Thank you, Mrs. Hill. And we're going to move on to the weather. The weather was very yucky this morning. It was kind of gray and cloudy out. Is it still gray and cloudy? Yeah. Not too much sun today, so we're going to go ahead and put the cloudy there. But what kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's make our prediction and put it right here in our square. How about, what kind of weather? Windy. I hear some windy. All right. Let's go on. And we're going to say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let's say it. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, now Mrs. Hill is helping me out, and she's going to mute you every once in a while, and then she might ask you to unmute. So if you're muted, just stay muted. That way everyone can hear, and then if we ask you to unmute, then unmute, okay? Here we go, moving on. We're counting to 20. Count with me, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Lots of counting. Mrs. Hill's keeping an eye on, make sure everyone's participating. Is everybody doing a great job, Mrs. Hill?
So far, everybody's doing a great job.
Woohoo! It's a marvelous Monday. Let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woohoo! All right. Continuing on, look at all of my shapes. All right, Mrs. Hill, I'm going to ask you to unmute a friend.
All right, my friend, I just went ahead and hit the button. It should pop up on your screen to unmute. Can you see it?
Uh-oh. Here we go. Finished our colors. Now we're looking at our new nursery rhyme this week. And it's 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And it goes like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. Or our rhyme will say open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Make sure, Mrs. Hill, you can see this. This one should go.
We just had the most amazing family vacation.
Oh, vacation. I just got back from vacation.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
That was silly. All right. Continuing on, we are getting ready to do some numbers. This is the number 1. You can see I have 1 blue circle. How many circles do I have? Count them. 1. This is the number 1. All right, we have worked on the letters L, F, and E. We are starting our new letter this week, which is the letter H. H is the beginning of house, also helicopter, and of course everybody knows this guy. He is the Hulk. If you put your hand up in front of your mouth, just like Mrs. Hill's doing, they can't see me, and make that H sound, you can feel the air coming out of your mouth and hitting your hand as you make the H sound. Good job. All right, let's sing about where we start our letters. Here we go. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. And if you don't have your Mr. Matt and you need to go get it, grab it now. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Or do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. Here's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Raising it up. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. It's at the top. This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, Good job. Where do we start those letters? At the top. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get started making the letter H. The letter H, we're going to need 2 big lines and 1 little line. So we need to get out 2 big lines, 1, 2, and 1 little line. We're going to start with our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Do we block Mr. Matt's smiling face with it? No, it goes right underneath Mr. Matt's smiling face. Then we're going to grab our other big line and we're going to move it over to the other side. All right. Now we're going to grab our little line and put it into the middle. Now if it doesn't reach, you can move it over just a little bit so it'll fit perfectly and they touch. So
I like how some of our friends are doing such a great job following along. I'm not sure where some of our friends went.
Oh.
We're missing some of our friends right now.
Okay. Well, let's make that letter H together. Or actually, I'm going to make it, and you're going to listen. So your listening ears are on, your inside voices are off, your hands are in your lap. It's going to be my turn first. We'll start at the top, and we're going to say big line down. Now listen, this is going to be different. Frog jump over, big line down, little line across the middle. All right, one more time, I'm going to say it. You follow along, listening. Here we go, my turn. Big line down, frog jump over, big line down, little line across the middle. All right, do it with me. Fingers at the top. And if you don't have yours, follow along on the screen with me. Big line down, frog jump over, big line down, little line across the middle. We made the letter H. And what does H say? Do it for me again. Hold that hand up and we go. Excellent, friends. All right, tomorrow we're going to practice again on the letter H. That is our letter of the week. All right, we'll see you a little later.